The Complaining Princess. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Lily. She lived in a beautiful castle and had everything she could ever want. Her room was filled with the softest pillows. Her closet was full of glittering dresses. And the royal kitchen served delicious meals every day. But even with all these wonderful things, Princess Lily was never happy. Every morning, she found something to complain about. "This dress is too tight," she would say, pulling at her gown. "This cake is too sweet," she complained after just one bite. "This room is too small," she sighed, even thought it was bigger than most people's houses. No matter what she received, it was never quite good enough. Her servants worked hard to make her smile. They woke up early to prepare her favorite breakfast, brushed her hair, and arranged her jewels with care. But instead of saying thank you, Lily would roll her eyes or turn away. Day after day, her complaints filled the castle like dark clouds. One morning, something strange happened. When Lily opened her eyes, she was no longer in her soft golden bed. She was in a small village, wearing simple clothes. There were no servants, no fine dresses, and no royal meals. At first, she was angry. "I don't like this at all," she said loudly. Soon, a kind woman offered her a piece of warm bread. It wasn't fancy, but it was made with love. Lily took a bite and was surprised. It was delicious. "Thank you," she said quietly, and truly meant it. The kind woman asked if Lily could help fetch some water from the well. Lily hesitated, but then she agreed. The bucket was heavy, and the work was daring, but she tried her best. The villagers smiled and thanked for her helping. For the first time, Lily felt proud of herself. That day, she swept the village square, washed vegetables, and helped bake bread. She listened to their children's stories, laughed with them, and learned how people lived with kindness and hard work. She saw that even the smallest things could bring happiness: a clean house, a shared meal, a friendly smile. As the sun set, Lily felt something warm inside her heart. She missed her castle, but she didn't want to leave. She had learned so much. The next morning, Lily woke up back in her castle. Everything looked the same, but she was different. She ran to the window and smiled at the view. "What a beautiful day," she said. She looked at her dress and felt grateful for it. When she tasted her breakfast, she said, "This is wonderful, thank you." From that day on, Princess Lily stopped complaining. She spoke kindly, noticed the good things around her, and never forgot to say thank you. Be grateful for what you have. It brings more happiness than complaining. Subscribe!